Now compound, समास. Compound, समास. Samas, what is the meaning of compound? So, when two different words join with each other and make new word is called compound. To identify types of compound, we must do meaning of given word. So we must do meaning of given word only. Word જે આપ્યો હોય એના meaning કર્યા વગર compound ખોટું જ પડે. So first, when we want to identify any type of compound, we must read or do meaning of given word. There are 7 types of compound. Total 7 types of compound. So right now, first type is द्वंद्व समास. द्वंद्व समास. Okay. 7 types are, which are the 7 types? द्वंद्व, द्विगु, बहुव्रीहि, कर्मधारय, तत्पुरुष, उपपद and अव्ययी भाव. Total 7 types. But now this is very important topic. Okay, so understand properly. First type is द्वंद्व समास. Given word is combined word of two different words or two opposite words. See, two different words, બે જુદા જુદા word or two opposite word, બે વિરોધી word. Two opposite words or two similar word. This is a group of combined word which is two different word, two opposite word or two similar word. Now second thing is we can separate given word with use of and or. Okay, but there are three subtypes of Dvandva Samas. Three subtype. First subtype is Iteretar Dvandva. Iteretar Dvandva. What is the meaning of Iteretar Dvandva? When two different or similar word which is ends with yo-ho or au. So, given word ends with yo-ho and au. For example, Ram Lakshmanau. We can separate Ram and Lakshman, separate with and last is au. Ram Lakshmanau. Second, Dharma Krodhayoho. So, religion or religious and anger. Religion and anger. Okay. Right now, we go to second part. Second subtype is Samahar Dvandva. Samahar Dvandva. Second subtype is Samahar Dvandva. Now, what is the meaning of Samahar Dvandva? When two opposite or different words and ends with ma. See, if we know meanings, then we can give answer. Like, for example, of chapter number 3, Ahoratram. It means day and night. Day and night. Second, so this is Ahoratram. Ahoratram. This word's meaning is day and night. So never think that Aho means day. Okay? But we can see only night. Ratra. Ratram means night. So we can identify only from this word. This meaning is day and night. So this is two opposite word. Two opposite word. Okay? Now second one, Mushak. Marjaram. Mushak means mouse and Marjar means cat. two opposite animals are there. Two opposite animals, rat and cat. Okay, mouse na bole rat પણ લખાય. So we can write rat or cat, rat and cat. So opposite, different word. Third type is एक शेष द्वंद्व. एक शेष द्वंद्व it means a pair of two different gender like masculine and feminine combined form. Ends with yo-ho and o. Ends with yo-ho and o. Only one and only example is there in our textbook. In our textbook, it is Pitrau. Chapter number 3. Go down to your parents. Pitrau means mother and father. So here, Pitrau word, only one and only word in our syllabus. Okay? So this is the end of compound, first compound. Total 7 types are there, but this is only the first type. Is there Dvandva Samas. Okay? Dvandva compound. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. નાઉ સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ ઇઝ તત્પુરુષ સમાસ. ઓકે, Tatpurus Samas. What is the meaning of Tatpurush? Tat plus Purush. Purush means subject, person, male or female. Okay? Purush word is used for male and female both. So, this is the norm. All some cases are joined with this Tatpurush. Some cases, Karak cases, like Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, but we can use only second to seventh. Okay? So, Tatpurush Tatpurush Samas separated in 7 subtypes. First is Dvitiya तत्पुरुष। द्वितीया तत्पुरुष। ओके, द्वितीया तत्पुरुष given word can separate with, understand, first thing, given word can separate with use of TO2. Okay, 2. That means we have to do meaning of given word. Okay, we have to do meaning of given word. Example, मरणासन्न, to the deathbed, ninth standard, chapter number 2, Chatak Shishu. Okay, in this chapter, poor farmer was marnasanna. Now, on the deathbed, second is औषधालय श्रीकः, औषधालय श्रीकः, chapter number 8, to the hospital, to the hospital. So this is dvitiya, not dvitiya. Some says dvitiya, not dvitiya. It's dvitiya. Okay, dvitiya. Now second one is tritiya. Second IMP. Tritiya तत्पुरुष. First IMP is षष्ठी तत्पुरुष, but second IMP is Tritiya तत्पुरुष. Maximum words from Tritiya and षष्ठी. Given word can separate with use of by, with, without, by, with, without. Now, examples. Okay. Now, examples of तृतीया क्षोभ रहितः, without tension or anxiety. Without tension or anxiety. Okay. Second word is shokakulah, with sorrow. Shok means sorrow, dukh. Okay, so shokakulah, with sorrow. Third is Tritiya Tatpurush. नाउ चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष, चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष given word can separate with use of for example पुत्र हिते, welfare for son, welfare for son. Second, राष्ट्र प्रेम, love for country. Okay, so here only one word is there, for. Okay, only one word is there, एक જ word कयो, for થી separate થાય, then it is चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष. Now next one is पंचमी तत्पुरुष. पंचमी तत्पुरुष given word can separate with use of from, use of from. Okay, for example, suppose when we use panchmi tatpurush, somewhere we are separating from which place. Okay, કોઈ પ્લેસ થી આપણે છૂટા પડતા હોઈએ એવો આમાં ઇન્ટેન્સ હોય. રોગ મુક્તઃ, સોરી, ભય મુક્તઃ, ભય મુક્તઃ, free from fear, और रोग मुक्तः free from disease. Okay, free from disease. Second one is वृक्षात पतिता, वृक्षात पतिता, fall from tree. Okay, पतित means ऊपर થી નીચે પડે એને પતિત કહેવાય, fall down. Fall down from tree. Now षष्ठी, षष्ठी तत्पुरुष, षष्ठी तत्पुरुष given word can separate with of or apostrophe s, of or apostrophe s. Now example, lot of examples of षष्ठी तत्पुरुष, and this is most IMP. Okay, this is most IMP. Most IMP છે ષષ્ઠી. Generally 2 examples are given for in exam of 2 marks, and षष्ઠી, one of them ષષ્ઠી તત્પુરુષ is mostly. Okay, એક તો બેમાંથી ષષ્ઠી તત્પુરુષ હોય જ, તો ષષ્ઠી તત્પુરુષ ખાસ આવડવું જોઈએ. ઓકે, ચાલો. રાજપુત્રઃ, son of king, son of king. Rajputrah, son of king. Okay. धीवराणाम वचनम. Words of fishermen or fishermen's words. Okay, words of fishermen or fishermen's words. King of son or king's son. Both are in the similar way. Okay. Now Saptami Tatpurush. Now Saptami Tatpurush. Saptami Tatpurush. Saptami Tatpurush. Given word can separate with use of in, on, over, above, among. For example, शीला लिखितम. 7th chapter. Inscribe on stone. Second example, शत्रु मध्ये. 10th chapter. Among enemies. And last type of Tatpurush. It is called none. Don't call this nuz. It is called none. Okay? None Tatpurush means negative. Given word starts with a. Given word separates with negative word. It means nakar. Nakar means negative. For example, adharma, not religious. Asatya, not truth. So this is end of Tatpurush. Now 5 other types are there, but it is in next week.